Welcome to our video on how to delete your phone number from Facebook. In this updated guide, we'll walk you through the simple steps to remove your phone number and enhance your privacy on the platform. Let's get started. First, open the Facebook app on your smartphone. Once you're in, look for the three horizontal lines in the top right corner of the screen. This is your menu button. Tap on it to reveal a list of options. Now, scroll down this list until you see Settings and Privacy. Tap on that, and then select Settings from the submenu that appears. This will take you to your Account Settings page. In the settings, you'll want to find the Accounts Center section. Under this, look for Personal Details and give it a tap. This is where Facebook stores your personal information, including your contact details. Next, tap on Contact Info. Here, you'll see a list of all the contact information associated with your account. Find your phone number in this list and tap on it. You're almost there. On the next screen, you'll see an option that says Delete Number. Tap on this, and Facebook will ask you to confirm your choice. Go ahead and confirm that you want to remove your phone number. And there you have it. Your phone number has now been deleted from your Facebook account. It's a quick and easy process that can significantly improve your online privacy. Remember, removing your phone number might affect certain account recovery options, so make sure you have alternative methods set up, like an email address or trusted contacts. Thanks for watching our guide on how to delete your phone number from Facebook. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more useful tech tips. Stay safe online, and we'll see you in the next video.